Today, turn that down where y'all ain't looking at such a glare. I promise I'm going to get into tearing this engine apart, but I want you to be able to see exactly how we're doing it, what we're doing. So today, rather than start to rip the engine apart, I got another little project going. I got all kinds of little Gopro brackets here, and none of them seem to want to attach. So I got this piece of, well, it's part of a garage door. Holds a roller on. In fact, I threw the roller down here somewhere. But I'm going to use this piece of angle iron. Bolt it right on there somewhere. Take my angle grinder and cut the end off right here. And I got this GoPro adapter here that you can attach. I just need to drill a 1/4-inch hole. Or I could go with some of these other arrangements. Ain't none of them quite right, but this one looks like it would work. If not, I'll just be killed a little time. Those will line up already right there. They're ready to bolt. So I need to get my angle grinder on this dooflunker right here. I never start a project, my friends, that doesn't always lead to another project. It's not planned that way, it just happens that way. I'm going to cut this looped part over here and see if I can beat it out flat on a piece of railroad rail over here to make that metal just a little longer. I can always shorten it, but I can't make it longer without a whole lot of effort. Good enough for railroad work. We can bolt that booger bear right there. Hopefully my GoPro is going to be just about the right distance. We're going to give it a try anyway. Alright, let's take out these two screws right here and bolt my duplanker up here. Here's my duplanker. It's going to be my camera mount for my GoPro. Let's say my first camera mount. I'm sure I'll come up with some more. Everything I got around here is SAE threads. I'm having to reuse some metric screws that came out of the old barbecue grill. I don't have any metric supplies. But let's see how this works out. I'll have to make some adjustments, and we're looking out of the GoPro now. So let's hook my Sony Handycam up where you can watch me put the GoPro on here and see how it's going to look. We'll hook up the GoPro. Then I'll take a little short sample video. See if the camera's lined up like I want for future filming. See what we got here. We want it pointed that way. It took a little bit of adjusting. I got my GoPro pointed right at the project. It is recording right now. What I don't like about the GoPro is you can't do a lot of zooming. We ain't going to need a whole lot of zooming when the GoPro is that close. At this point in the video, I'll insert what the picture looks like from the GoPro. Turn the work light on, maybe that'll help. Got plenty of daylight out here though. Be plugged in. Oh, I got the angle grinder plugged in. Sorry about that. Okay. See what shot we got with the gun in the picture. My hands, you're probably seeing me. This GoPro is a wide angle shot. I'll pick up all my GoPro parts and bag them back up. I got one camera mount designed for it anyway. I want another one over here for my Sony Handycam. We'll have to think about that. I was quite impressed with these Harbor Freight drill bits for my impact gun. It drilled quite well. So I got a Ziploc bag over here to keep them in because I know I'm going to lose them. I'll just keep them all in here with my impact wrench. Not an exciting vlog today. Maybe tonight I'll actually start videoing disassembling the engine. I know a lot of you want to see what's wrong inside the engine, and we're going to do it. I'm just taking my own sweet time about it. I should have had one of these impact guns ages ago. I always thought you could do anything with a cordless drill that you could do with this, but boy was I wrong.